Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. In today's video we will learn how to roll back your Windows 11 to Windows 10. If something goes wrong or your PC is not working fine on Windows 11, so you can go back to Windows 10. So in order to go back to Windows 10, we will have to go to the recovery options which are available in Windows 11. So simply click on Start and then click on Settings, and at the left hand side make sure you have System selected. Then from the right pane click on Recovery. You will see options Reset your PC, Go back and Restart now. So we'll click on the second option, that is Go back, and that option will work if you have recently upgraded your operating system to Windows 11, because the recovery files which are available in this option will be there for maximum 10 days. If you have upgraded your operating system long back, I mean more than 10 days ago, then this feature may not work, because the recovery files may get deleted after 10 days. So if you have recently upgraded the operating system, then you can try this option. So I will click on Go back. You can select a reason why you are going back to previous version of Windows. I think Windows 10 seemed faster, so I'll select that and we'll click on Next. You can click on No Thanks on the next screen where it says Check for updates. So on the next screen it will give you some information about the process, like it may take a long time and you may have to reinstall some apps. You will lose any changes made to settings after the upgrade to Windows 11. So just go through this and click on Next. On the next screen it will show you if you had a password on Windows 10. So make sure you remember that password, because when you will log into Windows 10, it will ask you for that password, and then click on Next. And on the next screen, click on Go back to Windows 10. So we are back to Windows 10 and the process took about 30 minutes. So that's how you can restore the previous version of Windows, that is Windows 10, on your computer if you have recently upgraded to Windows 10. So that's it in this video, and thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and click the like button if you like the video. You have a great day. Bye bye.